Hello, I'm Mohammad Ibnul Shah and my student ID is 30446211 and I'm currently studying at ATMC Melbourne campus Federation University. I'll be talking on my assignment 1 of Python. I have done some task and I've run it on IDLE. So my first task was on Thue-Morse sequence implementation. In this task, the function of Thue-Morse generates the sequence by starting with the base case t theta equal to 0. For each iteration, it computes the next sequence by applying the inverse of the current sequence to itself. The inverse is computed by swapping zeros and ones. The process continues until the sequence after n iteration is constructed. So here I've run my code. It is my code. So after putting n equal to 4, the result that is coming, it is this. So I've printed it in ftn. The min is 4, so it will coming in 4 sequence. So if I change my n into 0, then it will change it. The output will be 0, and if I change my output into 1, then the result would be 0 1. So this is my task 1. After that, in task 2 is about square free word implementation. In this code, the program starts with a theta equal to 1 and uses two dictionaries, odd replacements or even replacements, to store the transformation rules for characters in odd and even positions. The program loops through the character of the current sequence, determines their position, and applies the appropriate replacement rule. So the new sequence is, and the code is here. For task 2, my code is here. So here I have put it n equal to 3, for which the result comes in 3 sequences, just 1 2 3 1 3 2 3 1 2. So every 1 is in odd position, 2 is in even, and 3 is in odd position again. So if I change it, my input into 0, then the result will be coming a0 equal to 1, just 1. And if I change my result into suppose 6, and it will come in 6 dividends, like this. So it was my task 2, and in task 3 task 3 was about report on counting squares in a string. In this code, the function first calculates the length of the string, then it iterates over all position subword lengths from 1 up to half of the length of the string. For each subword length, it checks all possible starting position in the string to determine if there are 2 consecutive identical subwords or not. If a match is found, the count is incremented and the function returns the total number of squares found in the string. The count squares function can be tested with different output strings to verify its correctness. Suppose with input string, if I put 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 function, then the function identifies 2 squares and it will give the output as 1 2 3 1 2 3 together, and again 1 2 3 1 2 3. And if I change the input, okay, let me show the output first. So my output is input is in here is 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 3. So the output would be, look, 1 2 3 1 2 3 3. Suppose if I change my output in, I'm deleting the number 3 here, last 3, and showing you the score. So it will come 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So basically I can put anything in here in a sequence. Suppose I'm putting x y z and running it again. So it will come x y z for once. So testing with various input strings,